always told Phil there were a few rules when finding the one. She had to be smart, successful, compassionate, and no shiksas. So when he told me that he found a nice Jewish girl in Sarah, I didn't need to vet her. I instantly approved. He literally told me. He was like, oh, she's Jewish. I was like, yeah, okay, yep. Marry her, whatever, you're good. But when I did finally get a chance this past week to get to know her and see their lovely life together, their dog and their cat, beautiful home, the life they live, it's perfect.
My life is better simply because you're in it. I vow to do the same to yours. Our cat Frankie shows her love by licking us, which is sweet, but we have to put up with her horrible cat breath. Our dog Baloo shows his love by guarding us, but only via barking so loudly at anything passing the house. And this is why you're special. The way you show your love, I feel like I'm not putting up the banner. Your love comes with no caveats. It's so rare to experience something so pure and joyous. Sure, we'll annoy each other somehow, but I know we'll always be okay as long as we have blood on blood.
The greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love not in return. Thank you for helping me live this lesson today, Astapul.
You're fantastic, and I fully approve of you marrying Phil, so please proceed. Just invite me to the wedding. I have no doubt you two are going to have the happiest, most fulfilling marriage possible. I love you and congratulations.
Take it away, Phil. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege to introduce to you
Taking this moment to acknowledge how loved she is truly warms my heart. And I know we are all here, whether it be for the bride or groom, to celebrate their love story and the many, many chapters ahead. I'm so excited today that we get to say just yet, Phil. So cheers to the happy couple as they embark on this special journey. I wish you two only the best. And to Sarah, I just want to say, yes.
Y'all raise a glass with me if you would. And to Sarah and Phil, here's to being a team and enjoying the race.